Ooh, I'm back in China. Welcome to Foshan in southern China in Guangdong province. About an hour outside of Guangzhou. I'm couch surfing with this nice gentleman here. Say hello.
Hello, gentlemen.
I went to Canton Fair yesterday, the biggest trade fair in the world, and today just having a look around Foshan, maybe a bit of Guangzhou too, and I'm going to show you what you can get for 20 euro in China, excluding accommodation because I already have that. So today I have a budget of 20 euro, let's see what I can get. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe, let's go. Okay, so there's pork in my porridge. Interesting, let's try it.
It's actually really nice.
The pancakes also have pork in them, so they're obsessed with just putting bits of animal in everything in China. So we're in this little tea shop here because they have this big tea culture in China. We're in It's Tea. I'm having some tea that has a load of different fruits in it or something. Well, some of the things on the menu look very, very suspect. For example, Oreo cheese tea, red bean milk tea. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. That's actually very, very nice. I'm surprised. Pan reckons that if you run fast enough, you can run across there without getting wet. Are you gonna demonstrate?
Not today because my shoe is very good, so I don't want to destroy my shoe.
So Pan was looking to buy that fabric for his sofa and he was quoted 150 RMB, which, I don't know, doesn't seem like a bad price. Is that a good or a bad price here?
It's a normal price.
It's not so often that you see a street in China like this where there's literally nobody on it other than me and Pan the man. One question I have for you here, Pan, is as we're walking through here, I'm looking around, was the electrician qualified? No need to.
You know the rule, right?
The boys used to call me Legolas.
This one.
Here.
You hit something. Almost hit there something. Getting better.
Thank you, shushu, bye bye. There you go, Robin Hood leaves the archery place clutch. It was a bit rusty in the beginning, but we got there. And I didn't expect to be doing that today. 30 RMB, 12 arrows, and a lot of help to be fair. So I'd recommend this place, it was good. What is the name of this? DMAC. DMAC in Foshan. Amazing. Guinness Book of World Records, the biggest brush I've ever seen in my life. So we've come to this small little Chinese restaurant here and we've ordered some food because it's lunchtime. And I've gone for some sort of a beef noodle dish. He doesn't know how to translate it properly, so I'm just fingers crossed it's going to be good. I have to say that looks pretty damn good to me. It's perfectly acceptable. I'm actually encouraged in China to slurp your noodles.
Come on. That's you eat too much.
I can't do it. I can't do it. Hey, what's his prize? 2 packets of tissue. Just a free doctor's appointment here in the park. So right here in this little area they're doing everything. They can check your blood pressure, check your teeth, check if you have a back problem, they can give you a little massage, they can, I don't know, they're doing literally everything all for free, and they have people queuing up to throw those bits of paper, mostly elderly people, and they get a few freebies out of it, a bit of a game it turns into, but just such a nice thing to be done in the area. It's really, really cool. He lives on the 7th floor.
Papaya only in Asia, only tree Moses, this don't know English name. This is lemongrass for Southeast Asia cuisine, Thai food. If you eat Thai food, they put lemongrass.
Yeah, lemongrass.
That's what I get today.
Let's see. Ah, nice.
You can put in your mouth and don't chew them yet. You can try it. Taste something.
A minty?
Sweet. You can taste the sweet.
Yeah, I taste it.
It's sweet but low sugar inside. Really healthy. Oh, it had a lot, but
So as you can see, Pan is a gardener, and this is his rooftop garden, and he's just showing us everything about it.
and
Pretty cool,
this
Pan.
one for your because your mosquito bite.
Ah, aloe vera.
Yeah, you can put it just here. Don't need to say some medicine.
It's good. I love aloe vera. It's very good.
Okay, put it to you.
Thanks so much. I've been bitten alive last night. I have so many mosquito bites. I'm gonna leather myself with that now. Now we're heading back into the city center to get some dinner and other things and have a look. Let's go.
Fun.
Just choose one random
Yeah.
one. Okay, we'll go for this one.
This one.
What is it? What is it?
Papaya.
Papa? No, no. That right there is the main problem I face in China. I can't read menus. So we were walking along there and I saw these dumplings and I couldn't say no. They look so delicious, so fresh. 5 yuan for 8. You couldn't go wrong. I'm gonna try one right now after we cross this intersection. It's still nice, but I prefer dumplings.
Pop. There's some pop. There's some.
So this is a traditional dish, Cantonese style. Duck, which is a bit cold, which I'm not a fan of, and it's bony, which I'm also not a fan of, with some steamed rice and some vegetable with a bowl of soup that I haven't yet to try. Honestly, little guy, I don't recommend the duck. It wasn't very good. I wouldn't go for it. They don't even heat it up. Oh, I gotta get back to the gym, boy. Real bad, real bad. No matter where you go, huh? Paddy field. Let's go. Okay, we're going up to this haunted house that we've been coerced to go into. You have to pay 88 to go in, but you can go into the lobby for free, so we'll check that out. Oh my god. You have to wear a high vis going in, or maybe they're going in to fix something or something, I'm not sure. So I'm getting this fairy grass tea tonic, 16 RMB. As I said earlier, the Chinese love their little teas, and this one kind of has, if you can see at the bottom, all that black stuff, kind of, they're little cubes of a jelly. It's kind of random, but I had them these last night and it's absolutely delicious, so I said why not have it now. I'm literally just trying to get rid of the budget at this stage. Thank you. Look at the size of that cock. So I actually need to get a t-shirt, so I said to Pan to bring me somewhere where we can get a t-shirt that fits into the budget, and here we are.
Okay, it fits in your feet, right? No, I cannot fit at your feet.
This t-shirt has been going for almost 5 months. I've had 4 t-shirts sitting on this shirt. I've replaced 2 already. I'm about to replace the 3rd with this one. 3 RMB left. You wouldn't think you'd be able to get rid of that so easily. So, for €20 in China, I had pork porridge, pork pancakes, had a bottle of water, got the metro, had mango tea, did archery, had pork noodle soup, got the bus, had mango yogurt, had 5 pork balls, ate a traditional Cantonese duck, which was cold, had another tea drink that had jelly in it, bought a t-shirt, which was actually good quality, and sank a delicious beer. Money well spent. So that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment down below with your feedback, constructive criticism, whatever, all is good. And if you're new around here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Good luck.